Maayong hapon sa tanan akong followers, mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Guys, karon nga kahapon na ako karon dinhi sa Buhangin Memorial Cemetery Park. Buhangin Memorial Park Cemetery, Davao City. Today is a memorable day for me because it's a birthday of my mom Nati. But she is now in the hands of the Lord since almost 5 years ago. Bay, ikaw maglimpyo dere, kining idea. Palimpyo na lang ko be. Palimpyo na ko. Nag-visit ko sa kong mama. I have flower. This is her favorite flower, white.